Have you thought about starting a new side hustle in 2024? Well, I got you. Welcome to Making Money with GPT, your next side hustle. As you can see, it's great at understanding and creating human text. GPT can write articles, creating chatbots, generating creative content, and so much more. It's like having your own multi-talented digital assistant. Let's get in this tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juju, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own GPT the basic way. For you to access to create your own GPT, you need to have the chatgpt plus. It's $20 a month, or you can get the new one that they just have, which is like the team member type. It's like $24.99. As you can see, I just click on explore GPTs, and when you get there, you get to see everything that people created, like other GPTs that people created, and you get to see what you like, how you want to create your own GPTs. You may have an idea on how you want your GPTs to come out. I'm going to be creating more GPTs for myself and my students and clients, but right now my perfect one, my most popular one, is the Faceless Canva Creator. If you want it, I'll have the link down in the description box so you guys can check it out. We're gonna go straight in. We're gonna go and create a GPT. If you already have everything figured out, you just go ahead and put the description and how you want your GPT to be, and you can even upload your own logo. But I do it very different because I'm pretty sure other people do it different too. I just get to the chat box and start telling them how I want my GPT to be. I'm gonna do an example. I'm gonna create like a children's book characters slash images for kids 5 and up, and I want to include different, basically not only stories but also images, so that way, like, when somebody else is using the GPT, they don't have to really go crazy on what they would want. The bot would automatically tell them, okay, here's an idea, and that way you can type your prompts and it will be easy for you. So I just asked for they asked me a question, the chatbot asked me a question, and then I said this is how I want my GPT to be. And then now they're gonna ask me, do you want a name? What kind of name do you want? And now you can play around with it and be like, no, I don't want this name, I want a different name. Like, pretty much having a conversation with someone else. It's like you're having a conversation with someone. Ask, believe, and you should receive. And this is exactly what GPT is for me. I asked it to help me with a GPT so I can be able to share with my clients and friends, so that way when they're creating a book story, it will be easy for them. As you can see, I got my logo ready, I got a name ready for it. Now I'm just gonna give it a little try to see how it's gonna come out, and so that way I know, okay, my GPT is all set to be out there for the world. Okay, so now I'm typing a prompt. About, okay, create a storybook image for a kid story with the ratio, and let's see how it's gonna come out. All right, this is pretty good. I like that. This can be like for a book story, or for a YouTube cover, or a journal, or a book, a kid's prompt. Um, like, this is really good. I like that. So now let's see. And of course, the bot is gonna ask you a couple questions to make sure that your GPT is good and all set for whoever you're gonna share it with. You just, like I said, like, you don't do it like me. This is just an example. When you creating your GPT, you can add as many details how you want your GPT to be, so that way when you use it you won't have difficulties figure things out. So it will be very easy for you to use. Right now I'm just, if the bot is asking me questions and I'm like going with it. But when you're really getting into the bottom of it, you just tell the bot how you really want your GPT to be like. Now that we have everything figured out, again, you just have to add more details if you have to. I'm just doing I'm just using an example just so you, for the purpose of this video, so that way you can have an idea. Now I'm gonna write a prompt to see how it's gonna come out. We're gonna test the GPT to make sure that it's good. So far so good. I have a picture. The next thing I'm gonna ask to write me a story. So let's see. Write a story about whoever, and then and then now it's gonna give me all the stories. This actually can be a script for a YouTube story book to read for kids. And not only that, I got my story, but also I got the picture. So I think now we are all set to share our link. The next thing is, if you want to have it out for everyone, before you have it out for everyone, you're just gonna choose a category. I'm just gonna choose writing or whatever category you want to put it. Or if you want to share it with just friends, students, family members, you can go ahead and click on anyone with a link. Or if you don't want to share it with anyone, you just click only me, and then you save it, and that's it. So now when you go back to the screen, you'll be able to see your GPT there, and all you would need to do is copy the link and share it to your website to sell, or share it to your clients or friends or family members. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.